In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a row of street lamps that light up as a car drives by. This project uses a series of pressure sensors under the road. To build the pressure-sensitive road, you will need a roadway template, 3 strips of aluminum foil, and 6 strips of tape. The circuit uses a battery, a 2-pin component with a 1 kilo-ohm resistor, and 3 LED modules to test it. The project will also require your circuit stencil and jumper stickers. Of course, you'll also need a model car and the 3 street lamps that you already made. To get started, trace around your roadway template with CircuitScribe. We have a page here that's almost complete. You're not going to need the switch outline, but you should fill in the rectangular regions with a crosshatch pattern. This is where the wheels of the car will apply pressure to the sensor. It's a good idea to compare the wheel spacing of the car to these lines. On our template, these seem a little bit far apart, so let's build up the inner edge of the line with some more conductive ink. Now we can test the sensor by placing a battery, a resistor, and an LED module onto the circuit. The circuit is completed by bridging the 2 wide lines with aluminum foil and applying pressure. Here you can see the LED coming on. Once you have your circuit working, tape down both sides of the foil, and then try it out using the car. After the first light is working, you can set up the next 2 lights. You can start by copying the electrode pattern 2 more times on a second sheet of paper, and then connecting those in parallel with the first LED and sensor pair. When they're connected in parallel, that means that they all share a connection at 2 points, as follows. Start by forming the connections between the right side LED pads and the top sensor bars. Then connect the bottom sensor bars to each other. This is the shared ground connection. CircuitScribe ink can't jump over the gap in the paper, so we need to use a jumper sticker again, just like we did in the row of houses tutorial. Finally, connect all of the left side LED pads to each other. This will be the shared power connection. You'll also need to use one of the jumper stickers to get over the gap between pages. To complete the circuit, tape down 2 more strips of aluminum foil. Now all 3 LEDs are in parallel and they're controlled by their own pressure sensor. Now let's test the whole street and see if the LEDs turn on in sequence. To make the road more realistic, you can place a long strip of cardstock or construction paper over the foil. Finally, replace the LED modules with your completed lampposts. Here's an example of one lamppost with a parked car underneath it. You can also link several of these street circuits together to create a longer road. We put 2 of the templates together to create a string of 6 street lamps.